See before you put it in your mouth. That's it. आपको हमेशा कॉन्स्टेंटली टच में रहना पड़ता है अपने वेट के. आई डोंट वेट कि यार कल से शुरू करेंगे. आई स्टार्टेड नाउ. तो मैं आसिफ शेख हूँ और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं टेली मसाला पे व्हाट आई ईट इन अ डे सेगमेंट में. No, not at all. Not at all. You'll not believe, all my life I've been fighting weight. Yes. Yeah.
We can't see it.
Yeah. So it's like, ऐसा लगता है आपको कि, but when I came to Bombay, I was about 90 kgs heavy. I lost 16 kgs in about 8 to 9 months, and then I maintained that. वो fight रहती है constant कि you have to always be in touch with yourself, with the waistline and with yourself. आपको हमेशा constantly touch में रहना पड़ता है अपने weight के. Because आपको you cannot afford to be little lenient, because एक बार बढ़ गया फिर उसको कम करना is a big task. Morning food rituals like nothing extraordinary. Like मैं morning में I have my breakfast about 9:30, and that's a very basic breakfast: 2 toast, fried egg, a cup of coffee. That's it. And my philosophy in life is that I almost eat everything, but I eat lesser than my appetite. If मुझे 2 रोटी की भूख है तो मैं पौनी रोटी खाऊंगा. I eat lesser than my appetite. So that's the catch. So I never overeat, and I never indulge in certain things. Like I have left sweets since almost 2.5 years. I don't eat sweets. No aerated drinks. No tea. No sugar at all. And I eat normal regular food. हालांकि मेरे पास इतना वक्त नहीं होता कि मैं वर्कआउट कर सकूं. दिन में मैं 45 to 1 hour में वर्कआउट करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. उससे ज़्यादा कर नहीं पाता because I have to keep the energy for the day. तो मुझे पूरे दिन एनर्जी चलानी भी होती है. So my eating habit is very basic. मतलब मैं दिन में मैं एक रोटी भी खाता हूँ, मैं कभी कभी चावल भी खाता हूँ, लेकिन हमेशा अपने एपेटाइट से कम खाता हूँ. इससे मुझे कभी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है. Sometimes I have red meat also. So हाँ. At least 2.5 hours, 3 hours before I go to bed. कम से कम अगर मुझे 11 बजे सोना है तो मैं I like to eat by 8. At least I have 3 hours to myself before I hit the bed. Yeah. Actually, it's dinner. Dinner is the only meal I have with the family. So, and हमारे यहाँ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमारा डिनर बड़ा elaborate होता है. In Muslim families, we all know that dinner is always very elaborate. रात को ही सालन गोश्त खाया जाता है, कोरमा खाया जाता है. My favorite cuisine is खड़े मसाले का कीमा and अरहर की दाल and चावल. I work out half in the car and half here, in bits and pieces, in installments. And I do it in makeup room only. No fat, no matter what. Because I told you I have to keep myself in touch with the weight, and I see myself on the screen. The moment I feel that I'm putting on weight, so I check the weight immediately. I don't wait कि यार कल से शुरू करेंगे. I started now. मुझे लगता है कि हल्का सा when I wear my jeans, मेरी बेल्ट हल्की सी टाइट होती है. I said no, come on, radar शुरू हुआ. Then I start slashing my diet, and then I come back in 5-6 days, because आपको मालूम है कि 4-5 दिन में निकाल लेंगे, लेकिन once it gets out of a hand, then it's a tough ask, to get it back. What I say about eating? Fitness tip is see before you put it in your mouth. That's it. Because होता क्या है कि लोग, they eat anything or everything. So आप पहले देखिए कि आप क्या खा रहे हैं और उसके क्या consequences हो सकते हैं, and then you eat. That's it. Nothing else.